Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Terramender in the patch kit you received from us. So here, what we have is a burn hole in our tent. I've gone ahead and taken our 7x19 patch and I already have cut two different ways to apply a patch. A lot of people will do just a circle, or I like a square. First thing you want to do is make sure your canvas is nice and clean. This is a brand new piece of canvas. I just took a lighter to it to burn a hole in there to show you how to do it. Take a rag, clean off some of that dirt so that glue has something really good to bond to. Next, you'll take your Terramender, give it a good shake, open the top, and then I just apply this around the edges of my patch. And then with my square patch, I don't put it on there so it is a square. I actually do it so it's a diamond. And I point the diamond towards the top of my tent. And that way, any of the water coming down will hit the point of the diamond and shed the water around the hole. A circle works very well as well. That's another way to do it. But it's really easy to do. Just go ahead and wipe off that excess glue once you're done. And then some guys will even put like a book or a phone book on here to help hold it in place, but this glue does a really good job of staying in place. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you.